Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best router table under $500. Please watch until the end to know our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with the following: Bosch Cabinet Style Router Table RA1141. If you want a convenient and quality router table with just under $500 spent, then the Bosch Cabinet Style Router Table is your perfect option. This router table provides all the convenience you need. It comes with 2 outfeed fence shims, a starter and a guard pin, 3 mounting plate rings, 2 adjustable feather boards, an aluminum router mounting plate, and a dual outlet switch with a 6-foot power cord. This table provides you with enough working space, measuring 15.88 by 25.5 by 18 inches. This router table has an aluminum router mounting plate that is very flat, giving accurate results when working on it. You don't have to worry about experiencing kickbacks when working on this table because it comes with 2 feather boards attached to its fence, and that gives it additional protection and guidance. After using your router table, you can easily clean it up without any strain, as it has 2 dust collection ports that usually remove your work's dust and debris. BenchDog 40001 Pro Top Contractor Benchtop Router Table. This is another excellent router table that you can find just under $500, and it will give you all the flexibility you need and produce quality work at the same time. The BenchDog router table is relatively lightweight, making it easy to move around your working site. This router table consists of a premium fence, a cabinet base, and a miter gauge track. This BenchDog router table has a wide working area of 16 inches by 24 inches, giving you a perfect spot to do your job. The top of this router table is flat and laminated to give the table the strength it needs when you're working on it. PorterCable 698 Benchtop Router Table. The PorterCable 698 Benchtop table is another best table under $500 on the market, and it provides excellent results like any other router table. This table has an aluminum top with a cast-in lip measuring 19 by 16 inches to provide maximum support to the table extensions. This table also has an adjustable split fence that can be adjusted quickly, which allows you to use a longer router. Kreg PSR2100 Benchtop Router Table is another perfect table under $500 that you could highly consider when purchasing one, because it provides you with all the convenience you need to carry out your work. This table is very durable and it's robust, and it consists of a 5-piece twist lock ring set, a set of 7 precision setup bars, a multi-purpose router table switch, and 2 feather boards. This router table has a great tabletop with a soft surface, ensuring that you can produce quality work. Additionally, the Kreg's PSR2100 router tabletop is noise absorbing, minimizing the unnecessary noise that other router tables usually produce. SKIL RA1141 Router Table. The SKIL RA1141 router table is another best one to consider because it comes with accessory storage containers, easing your work on finding new storage for your accessories. This router table is relatively broad and measures 17.72 by 27.87 by 9.17 inches, giving you enough space to work on. It also weighs 31.31 pounds, and it's easy to achieve curved edges when working with this router table, as it has starter pin and guard that give it the maximum support it needs. You can also easily fold and store away this router table without using it, providing extra space around your work area. Bosch RA1141 Portable Benchtop Router Table. The Bosch RA1141 Portable Benchtop Table is among the best router tables under $500, with folding legs for easy storage and setup when you want to use it. This router table also has a laminated MDF top, which helps you make the precise and smooth cuts while working. This table also measures 16.5 by 26 by 14.5 inches and weighs over 30 pounds. Grizzly Industrial G0528 Sliding Router Table. If you are used to using your router most of the time when working, this Grizzly Industrial G058 Sliding Router Table is the best for you, as it's flexible and stable. This router table has a storage shelf below the tabletop where you can store some of your equipment while still working. Its sliding table surface measures 30.75 by 12.6, providing a wide surface area. So which is the best one? The Bosch Cabinet Style Router Table RA1141 is the best router table under $500 because it has a wide variety of quality work features. This table is also easy to clean compared to the other router tables. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly let us know which video you would like to see next from us.